I'm going to share my review of the Moon Palace Hotel located in Cancun, Mexico, which is an amazing all-inclusive resort. My name is Marilee Blair, and I've been to 56 countries. So my goal is to bring you those peak experiences exploring the world one video at a time with me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button to support this channel. Now, let's get into the all-inclusive Moon Palace Hotel in Cancun, Mexico. Moon Palace Cancun teams with energy, luxury, and possibility. This dynamic all-inclusive resort features fine gourmet dining and unlimited premium drinks. Enjoy pristine beaches, a 27-hole Jack Nicklaus signature golf course, the world-class spa, exotic tours, the best nightly entertainment, and super fun kids and teens areas. Wherever you stay in Moon Palace Cancun, you get to enjoy the best of both worlds. Whether your accommodation is located in Moon Palace Cancun Nizuc or Moon Palace Cancun Sunrise, you get to enjoy full access to both of these sections of the resort, which means you can choose from a total of 17 gourmet dining options and 11 bars. Moon Palace Sunrise. This section of Moon Palace Cancun offers endless options for fun in the sun, with everything from an arcade lounge to a flow rider double wave simulator to a chic nightclub at your fingertips. There are activities to keep everyone entertained from morning to well into the night. And Moon Palace Cancun Nizuc is perfect for families with young children, those looking for quieter pools, and maybe even an oceanfront view. With a playroom for kids club, accessible pool, and a number of gourmet dining options at your fingertips, it's perfect for kicking back in the Caribbean sun. I stayed here back in August 2012 for 7 days and 6 nights in the Superior Deluxe Garden View room with a private indoor spa tub inside the room. The room we got was basically the most affordable room, so to have this standard room be so luxurious, you can't beat the value for what you get. And if you want to upgrade or take your family to get a bigger suite and room, you can. It was so nice when we were here in 2012, but it is definitely even nicer now because it's remodeled. Moon Palace Cancun is one of Cancun's largest and most popular all-inclusive resorts, offering a comprehensive range of amenities and activities that appeal to various types of travelers. Here are some reasons why people choose to stay at Moon Palace Cancun. Number 1. Extensive all-inclusive offerings. Moon Palace Cancun features an all-inclusive package that goes beyond typical offerings, with high-quality dining, premium drinks, 24-hour room service, and activities for guests of all ages. The resort has 15+ restaurants and numerous bars, so guests can enjoy a variety of cuisines, including Italian, Asian, Mexican, and more. Number 2, there's a variety of accommodations, with options ranging from luxurious standard rooms to large family suites and presidential suites. Moon Palace offers accommodations for every group size and preference. Rooms come equipped with whirlpool tubs, private balconies, and luxurious amenities. Number 3, family-friendly and kid-centric amenities. Moon Palace is ideal for families with activities designed for children of all ages. There's a massive playroom, mini golf, arcade games, and even a flow rider simulator. For older kids and teens, the Wired Lounge offers games, VR stations, and social spaces. There's also a kids club with supervised activities, which lets parents enjoy some free time while their children are entertained. Number 4, there's activities for all ages. From outdoor activities like golf, tennis, and beach volleyball to indoor entertainment, including live shows, theme parties, and concerts, there's always something happening at Moon Palace. The resort again has that world-class 27-hole Jack Nicklaus signature golf course, which is a big draw for golf enthusiasts. Number 5, multiple pools and swim-up bars. With several pool options, including kid-friendly pools and adult-only pool areas, Moon Palace offers options for every guest. There are swim-up bars, lounge areas, and relaxation zones throughout the resort, so guests can find the atmosphere that best suits their mood. Number 6, Spa. The resort spa is one of the largest in Latin America, featuring hydrotherapy, massages, facials, and unique wellness treatments. There are special couple suites, holistic therapies, and immersive experiences inspired by Mayan traditions. I enjoyed the spa when I was here and loved it so much. It was such an amazing massage and hydrotherapy experience, so I highly recommend this. Number 7, location and private beach. Moon Palace Cancun is just a short drive from Cancun International Airport and not far from Cancun's main attractions like shopping areas, nightlife, and archaeological sites. It's also near eco parks like Xcaret, which are perfect for day trips. The resort has its own private beach with soft sand and lounge chairs for those looking to relax by the Caribbean Sea. Number 8. Nightlife and entertainment. For adults, Moon Palace offers nightly entertainment including live music, shows, and themed events. There are multiple bars, an adult-only nightclub, and a casino, providing plenty of nightlife options without leaving the resort. Number 9. Eco-friendly and sustainable initiatives. Moon Palace Cancun is committed to sustainability with energy-efficient systems, recycling programs, and initiatives to protect local ecosystems. They have a turtle release program and various green practices that enhance the resort's environmental footprint. Number 10. High service standards. Moon Palace resorts are known for their attention to detail and customer service, so Moon Palace staff members are well trained, providing an excellent guest experience from check-in to departure, making sure guests feel valued and attended to. Number 11. Palace Resort Credits. Moon Palace guests receive resort credits that can be used for spa treatments, excursions, special dining, and golf. This program adds flexibility and value to the stay as guests can customize their experiences with these credits. So we give Moon Palace Cancun 5 stars for all it had because we love that Moon Palace Cancun offers a variety of activities, dining options, and amenities that make it possible to have an exciting, varied vacation without having to leave the resort. It's great for families, couples, groups, and solo travelers. You can all find something that you love at Moon Palace. It has luxurious facilities, extensive dining, family-friendly activities, and commitment to sustainability to make it a strong choice for an all-inclusive vacation in Cancun. There was just so much to enjoy on the property and different views to enjoy. I loved the spa so much here and how relaxing it was, the pools and beach views, the food options, the room service while enjoying the jacuzzi in the privacy of our room, and we got to do swimming with the dolphins while we were here. We just had such a great time when we were at the Moon Palace Cancun. So I hoped my review has helped you decide if you will get to enjoy it here as well. Thank you all for exploring the world one video at a time with me, your own personal bougie budgeter. If you found this video helpful, check out my Vidante Grand Lux Nuevo Vallarta YouTube video and Planet Hollywood Cancun YouTube videos that people enjoyed. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And look for brand new episodes every Wednesday. Safe travels and see you next week.